How to delete account on OnlyFans. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can delete your account on OnlyFans. For that, open any browser on your device and at the search bar type onlyfans.com. Press enter to browse it. Here make sure you are logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface. Here at the left side, you will find various options. From the options, here click on more option and this window will appear. Here click on the settings option and then you will be taken to this page. Here within the settings, click on this account option and at the right side you will find all your account information. Scroll all the way down here and at the bottom under account management you will find delete account. Click on this delete account option and then a code will be generated here. You will have to enter this code on this box. Make sure you enter the correct code. Here at the bottom you will find delete account option. If you are sure to delete it, click on this delete account option. A dialog box will appear asking you if you are sure or not to delete this account. If you are really sure to delete your account, then click on this yes delete button. Wait for a while and then you can see you have successfully deleted account from OnlyFans. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.